for a statement which has been provided called expenditure profile. It's a statement 4AA. I want to show how unspent balances are remaining and how much is it totaling to unspent balances. 1 lakh crore as of 31st December 2024. How unspent balances are remaining, and for us to see it, sir, the expenditure profile statement. This is along with the budget, it's been already presented. 1,395.45 crores is lying either in the SNA account or in the treasury or in an escrow account in the states. In the states. 1,395.45 Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana. On that head of account, this much money is lying there yet to be utilized. 4,636.55 crores is lying in the states, assistance to state agencies for intra-state movement of food grains and the FPS dealers margin under NFSA. National Food Security Act. Many honorable members are really concerned, and I can understand the concern. But if money is lying in the accounts, if you just give the utilization or raise the bills, you get the money. It is in your account there, SNA account there. Please take it. It's already in your account. But no, you're not giving money for Food Security Act. Why not? We are giving the money. It's there. Would you like to use it? This is a statement attached to the budget documents. I would like the honorable members to see where the money is lying. And despite that, more is being asked. You ask more, no problem. The moment you use this, we'll give more. The next, Samagra Shiksha. 11,516 is lying there in the states. Would you please use it? There was a lot of concern on portion. PM Pradhan Mantri Poshan Shakti Nirman, erstwhile national program for midday meal in schools. 5,205 crores are lying in the state accounts. And this is for Poshan Abhiyan. And here I hear voices. प्रधानमंत्री जी, बच्चों का न्यूट्रिशन के ऊपर आपको कोई ध्यान नहीं है क्या? अरे पैसा आपके अकाउंट में है भाई, यूटिलाइज करो. हमने तो दे दिया पैसा, आप क्यों नहीं यूटिलाइज कर रहे हो? मुझसे पहले हमें क्यों पूछ रहे हैं? So, go use it. This document is available. Have a look at it if I'm saying anything abrupt. So next, sir. These are not chota-mota amounts. These are big amounts. I want to ask question therefore. Sir, flexible pool for RCH and health system. Sir, I've heard health minister Jagat Prakash Nadda ji. No, you can always ask me, Supriya ji, all the questions, but I've heard you all. I want to come up with my answer. Please have patience, and you may ask me again. But if I'm telling you anything that which is not already available with you, I'll be ready to answer. But it is there. What proof है budget document by? Hi, Bhagwan. Budget document है by. Sir, flexible pool for RCH health system strengthening National Health Program and National Urban Health Mission. National Urban Health Mission. How much is left in the accounts? 2,988 crores lying with the states. Next, I've heard questions being asked of the health minister. Next, I've heard health minister trying to respond. No, I'm giving teachers. No, I'm giving paramedical staff. No, we are funding. You know, sir, how much money is left there? Human resources for health and medical education. 7,059 crores are lying in the state account. Would they please use it? Sir, next. हाँ बता दो Sir, Swachh Bharat Mission, sometimes they raise questions saying, was it necessary for Honorable PM to speak about Swachhata on the ramparts of Red Fort? He spoke and he's carrying the mission forward, and as a result, World Health Organization has said health has improved among women and children, and those which we heard many members speak. I want to show how much in the Swachh Bharat mission urban money is left with the states. 12,319 crores are with the states. Please spend it. Please spend it. Sir, Amrit, another. They are very concerned about urban. Don't worry, hear me out. Yeah. Urban rejuvenation mission. 500 cities. They are worried about urban unemployment. I want to ask this question. 12,377 crores are lying in the states. Will you use it for Amrit? Sir? Also. Listen. I will give you answer. Sir, next. There was a lot of comment saying Jal Jeevan Mission. Mantri ji baithe hain. Patil Saab idhar baithe hain, minister. They asked questions saying why Jal Jeevan Mission gets a small allocation. Because we are reaching the saturation level and only for the new leftovers are we giving money. But how much money is left on Jal Jeevan Mission with the states? You will be astonished to hear, sir. 13,782 crores are lying with the states. So, sir, I'm not letting this list go. So pardon me. They say about many new people, many poor people.
धर्मेंद्र जी बैठ जाओ.
We want people to hear.
आपकी सरकार नहीं है, बैठ जाओ.
We want people to hear. We want people to hear. Oh yes. No, they didn't know this also. Okay, you'll get it. Sir, they say PM Awas Yojana, Gramin Urban, they didn't have any number. 14,000 is left with the states for Gramin. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Guarantee Program, 4,351 crores are lying with the states.